Let's make a beat. Trap.
Okay.
We're gonna do trap, yeah.
Let's do some trap vibes.
Start off at 140 BPM.
Standard classic trap tempo, innit?
Standard. You can't go wrong. We'll start off making a melody, I guess. And you're the melody master.
Am I?
Yeah. But I'm assuming you like to click it in instead of playing it, or can you?
I can do. It depends what type of melody I'm making, really.
Let's try and make something like we were saying, aggressive and
Okay.
you know, hard hitting, scary.
Just start with some drill chords. Let's find Portal.
I knew you were going to go straight to Portal.
You said you wanted to make traps. So. See that? Put it down a little bit. Just a bit of texture in that, innit?
Makes a world of difference.
You ever stack two portals up on top of each other?
No, and I'm scared what would happen to the universe, like a black hole would open.
Should we find out? And all you need is a tubular balance and some 808, spins 808.
Basically, beat's done.
So you want to add something to it? I feel like you could add some crazy like piano lines on the top or something.
Yeah.
So we've taken out like, we've got that top line in, but like some noodles higher up.
Yeah, okay.
There you go.
There we go, that's perfect. Okay, I can work with this. See if I can ruin this. I mean, improve this. Just for the sake of it, should we just put in like a hi-hat, that's literally an audio loop. There we go. Now I can feel it. Now it feels like trap.
There you go.
Oh.
That end part there.
I think you can do something with that, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, cool.
Just put Portal on it, so. You got a new drum pack that you're working on, haven't you?
Oh,
I know it's
indeed
on
I
there
do.
somewhere.
Do you ever use hi-hat midis?
Not really.
Okay.
I think
When I'm lazy, I can't help it.
I've got so quick at putting hi-hats down in general.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
I don't use any MIDIs.
MIDI chord progressions ever? Oh.
Not really.
You're,
I think I used to.
You're not a lazy producer then.
So when do I get to put tubular belly?
I'm thinking a Reese.
Yeah, switch up to a Reese bass.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was it.
Let's try this one out. I'm not sure if it's... Because then I'm thinking for this part with the Reese, just copy...
Literally follow the, the piano progression.
Could actually drag it down, but...
Yeah, sometimes this year I just copy the piano over and delete the
Yeah,
layer.
but I can play it with some little glides in maybe. I was trying to copy that one note that we found and I didn't know what it was.
That's because we're in the harmonic minor. Actually, I'm going to put a violin.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Just for the chorus or something. Or you can do it on the breakdown, so it's like all emotional going into the hook.
Actually, that's a good point, because yeah, the good thing with that section with the Reese bass, because it follows the progression, it adds the emotion. So having like a violin
there and then it kicks
that,
back in.
Yeah, because it's harder with the 808, like it's darker.
I think violins just work with everything as well. Though.
They really do, yeah.
Them stabs are dope. think BBC Symphony Orchestra is the go-to free plugins.
It's without a doubt. I still can't understand how it's free.
With track beats like this, I like to keep the momentum going when you come out the chorus.
Oh, okay.
But still drop something out, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So there's something to differentiate between it. Let's come back to this one. Then you just need like a little transition section there to drop into that.
Yeah,
A
exactly.
little riser or something, or choir or tubular bell, both.
Let's do the tubular bell first. 'Cause we know
Where have you got a tubular bell?
I've got some Metro Boomin packs. I think he's got some
It's
decent.
definitely 100%. That's what you need, Metro Boomin tubular bell,
there
right?
you go.
Okay.
Yeah. We have a little transition to that where the respace comes in. Solo there.
It works though.
I think it's in C. If not, then that's hilarious.
Could even drop some of this out just so it comes to the snare, and then that
and then,
kind of solos the riser.
yeah, that's a good shout.
But that is all we have time for, mate. We got to go.
Time flies.
Yeah, that's
it's wild.
It is wild.
But I think, well, we made the beat. That was pretty good, actually.